Thanks for dropping in to Average Joe's Handyman Service. We got another video today, guys. We're looking at putting some Luan in on a double wide trailer. So the customer had an existing vinyl flooring. Of course, we had to go around first and cut some areas out and fix some bad spots in the floor that were getting rotten and gotten wet and different things like that. Once we got that fixed, I basically explained to him that we need to put some Luan down. Luan is basically just a really thin, like a 1/4 inch plywood. It's really smooth. And what you do is you can just put that over the existing floor for an application like this instead of trying to, um, well, first of all, you don't want to have to remove the old floor because that would just be really way too much stuff to do for very little improvement. So we can go over this existing vinyl with the Luan very easily and get all the blemishes and everything and the high spots and the low spots all out of the floor so that we can have a nice new installation of some new vinyl. So I always suggest you do this any type of home like this where you can't put ceramic tile or anything, where you're having to do floors. If you're going to do laminate flooring or anything, laminate flooring, I would have probably skipped this part, maybe, depending, because we would have just had the moisture barrier and everything. That probably would have helped. But this works pretty good in a lot of situations, guys. So hope you got some ideas from this. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Thanks.